का जो पोस्टर है और सत्यमेव जयते टॉकिंग lots of people are talking where सत्यमेव जयते if you're trying to distinguish between आमिर खान एक पीके के पोस्टर को लेकर और एक सत्यमेव जयते के आमिर को
बहुत फर्क नजर आता है।
हाँ डेफिनेटली
जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे आपको बिल्कुल फर्क नजर नहीं आएगा।
आएगी तब की बात तब, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल जो लोगों के जहन में जिस तरह का एक छवि बनी है आमिर खान की, दो टाइप के आमिर खान है।
हाँ नहीं ऐसे दो टाइप के नहीं है। देखिए मेरे मन में ये बात है क्योंकि मैं पिछले 25 सालों से एज एन एक्टर काम कर रहा हूँ और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है अपनी ऑडियंस पर। तो जो 2-3 लोग जो केस कर रहे हैं ना उनको भूल जाइए। बाकी जो देश की जनता है, जो देश के लोग हैं, वो मुझे 25 साल से जानते हैं और मेरी फिल्म में आइटम गाना नहीं होता भाई। तो आप सोचिए, तो अगर कोई भी सीन होता है उसका कोई वजह होती है, उसकी कोई रीजन होती है। और जब भी कभी हमने कोई ऐसी फिल्म बनाई, जैसे हमने डेली वैली बनाई थी जो अडल्ट फिल्म थी, तो हमने आगे आके आपको बताया कि ये अडल्ट फिल्म है, आप 18 के नीचे हैं तो आप बिल्कुल नहीं देख सकते, और अगर आप 18 के ऊपर हैं तब भी हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि इसमें भाषा जो है अश्लील भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया गया है। आप शायद इस चीज को ना पसंद करें। आई डोंट थिंक कोई प्रोड्यूसर हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा में बार बार आगे आके लोगों को ये बोलता गया। तो मैं अपनी जिम्मेदारी पूरी तरह से समझता हूँ और मुझे यकीन है कि जो मेरी ऑडियंस है वो भी मुझे जानती है, समझती है, और वो भी ये बात को समझती है कि पीके में जब वो फिल्म देखेंगे तब उनको भी यकीन है कि जब वो फिल्म देखेंगे उनके जो सवाल हैं वो उनको जवाब मिल जाएगा।
आमिर, अभी जैसे आपने बोला कि हम लड़कों को अच्छी शिक्षा दें, तो एक अभी प्रेस मीट में शाहरुख खान ने भी बोला था कि कोई भी, मैं अपने खुद के लड़कों को भी यही कहना चाहूंगा कि अगर वो कुछ भी करके आए तो उसे शर्मिंदगी महसूस ना हो। मीन्स ऐसा करे, काम अच्छा काम करे। तो आप कुछ कहना
हमेशा अच्छा काम करें।
हाँ, तो
ऐसा काम कभी ना करें जिससे शर्मिंदगी महसूस हो।
हाँ, तो आप हमारे
एक्चुअली मैं अपने बच्चों को जो सीख देता हूँ वो एक ही सीख होती है, और मेरी कोशिश ये रहती है कि मैं चाहे आयरा हो, जुनैद हो या आज़ाद हो, उनको मैं, रीना, आयरा, घर वाले सभी हम यही सीख देने की कोशिश करते हैं कि वो जैसे जैसे वो बड़े हों तो उनको संवेदनशील बने, वो सेंसिटिव बने। हम ताकत पर अहमियत नहीं डालते। अरे तुम पिट गया है, जाओ उसको फिर मार के आओ। हम ताकत पर अहमियत बिल्कुल नहीं देते। हम हमारे परिवार में, हमारे फैमिली में हम अहमियत देते हैं जज्बातों को, इंसानियत को। एक समान, सब, हर आदमी एक समान है, चाहे वो जो भी हो, जिससे भी आप मिल रहे हैं। हम बच्चों को ये सिखाते हैं कि आप जिससे भी मिल रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल आप जैसा है। जिस तरह आपको किसी चीज का दर्द होता है उसे भी उतना ही दर्द होता है। तो हम अपने बच्चों को कोशिश करते हैं कि हम जज्बाती बनाएं, संवेदनशील बनाएं, कठोर ना बनाएं, उनमें हम गुस्सा पैदा ना करें, उनमें हम ये कभी ना कहें कि किसी पे हिंसा करो, हिंसा से दूर रहो, प्यार मोहब्बत से आगे बढ़ो। ये हम कोशिश करते हैं उनको सिखाने की, और इस पे हम बड़ा जोर देते हैं।
Hi Amit, this is Rahul here.
Hi Rahul.
Congratulations to you and your team.
Thank you. Thank you.
I actually wanted to ask you 2 questions. One is, we both are on the current news right now, what's happening. The censor board has come out with a regulation that, words like virginity shouldn't be used in the movies. What is your take on it? That's the first one.
Is that so?
Yeah.
You're kidding?
No.
You're serious?
Yeah. Very serious.
You cannot use that word only in the film.
No, like words like these, which are vulgar.
मतलब in a you film or in an adult film or for any film? Is there a qualification to it or no?
No, there's no qualification to it as of now.
As of now.
I object to it. What happens is that everything is just taken in isolation, printed, and then everybody starts believing it is a fact.
So let's read and understand exactly.
I have been on the advisory panel of censor board, और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि you can't use the word virgin as far as I know. Now he is saying that a new guideline has come about, in which case first we have to investigate if the guideline has come about and not make it
and
a generic statement. Yes.
I agree with Bhavna. I think we should just be patient, see exactly what the guideline says, and then I can respond to you. But I do believe that in general, I can answer in general. In general, I do believe that there are certain words which I would not like my own children to hear, and which is why I would be sensitive towards other people's children as well in what kind of language we use in our films. And in case I want to use those kind of words or language, then I would make sure my film is adult and is appropriately advertised as an adult film, so that people come to know properly that it is an adult film. Then they can take their decision. I'll complete my answer. And other than that, I believe that there should be freedom of speech. If I'm showing a film to an adult person, then he or she is old enough to decide whether they want to see the film or not, and they can choose not to. If they find that it's something so objectionable, they can not see the film. You don't need to censor it from them. Yes.
Amir, I wanted to mention something here. Mardani has been given an A rating, and you have gone on Twitter and praised the film, and not only the film's subject as well, which is very bold. Not only bold, probably everyone needs to see a film like that, but the censor board has given it an A certificate and people can't see the film, and Rani is working on, getting a recertification for the film. So what do you have to say on that?
Well, there are some words in the film that I would not want my children to see or hear. I think there are words in the film. So I think that, personally, I'm giving my personal response, that if it's a film that I would not want young children to watch, because there's language used in that. I also feel that very small children should not see violence of this kind. There's a shot of a finger getting cut. I mean, it's not shown, but it is. I don't want an 8-year-old child to see that. I know Rani may have a different opinion. Can I just complete what I'm saying?
Yeah, sure.
Rani may have a different opinion, and I respect Rani very, very highly. She's a very close friend of mine. I've seen the film, but I feel that the film does have a certain amount of violence. And in fact, I personally feel that we have become so insensitive to our children that we show them almost anything. Strange things we show them. I'm not talking about Mardani, I'm talking of many films. I see, the most absurd things are sometimes shown in a U film or a UA film. And I can't believe my eyes to see that how is this shown in a U or a UA film. I personally feel we should be much more careful, if you ask me. We should be careful to the kind of violence we are exposing our children to. That's a very important thing. Extremely important. I completely believe in freedom of speech. I'm a creative person myself. But I also believe that I have a responsibility towards what I'm showing my children. And what age group am I exposing what thing to? Yes, there's an argument today, everything is on the net, and no matter what age you are, you can see what you want. Fine, I understand. But I have to fulfill my responsibility. I'm not going to comment about what can be seen on the internet or not. I don't want to show my child something. So I won't show it to other people's children. I genuinely believe that children need to have a space where they can grow freely without violence being, shoved down their throat in the huge doses that we often sometimes do. So that is something we need to take care of. And that goes for a number of films. I'm not talking about Mardani only. It's a number of films.
My second question, which I just want to complete, is that since your show talks about a lot of issues in India,